You know, a lot of products claim to be game changers. Well, this year we found one that actually is. It's called the Tent Cot by Camprite. This is what it is. It literally is it's a cot that is also a tent. Waterproof, windproof. It's up off the ground, so you don't have to mess around with setting up a tent and throwing down a ground tarp to keep yourself dry. You're good to go. Throw in your sleeping pad, your sleeping bag, and you're ready for a good night's sleep. It only takes about a minute and a half, 2 minutes to set up, real convenient, and why it's a game changer for us. Usually we hunt in a national forest that's about 2 hours, 2.5 hours from our house. That means getting off of work, driving, setting up camp at night, hopefully it's not raining, or we got to get up 2 or 3 in the morning and drive until we can get to our stands before first light. That's not a very good option either. We're tired during the day. This allows us to set up camp easily the night before. And you know, we come in at noon, say we need to go a couple of drainages over because there's nothing happening where we're at. It's easy to tear down. Simply fold it, throw it in the truck, and we're out of here. You know, you don't have all that typical mess of tearing down a camp. Nobody wants to do that. So the tent cot has definitely changed our game for bow hunting this year. And if you're a nomad bow hunter like we are, you might want to try it out.